How to create an AliExpress account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an AliExpress account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in aliexpress.com. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the official homepage of AliExpress, where you'll have to simply either tap on the accounts tab, which is in the top right corner of your screen, or you can simply tap on the register option, which is right over here. Now once you've done that, you'll have to first of all select your location. So you can simply search for your country and enter it over here. And once you've selected your location, simply enter your email address over here. And once you've entered your email address, simply create a new password for your AliExpress account. Now you'll have to slide this to verify. So simply slide it to the right, and then once you've done that, it will send a 4-digit verification code to your email address over here. So simply let me open my Gmail and enter the code. So as you can see, the code has just arrived. It is 5056. Let me simply 5056 and then tap on the option verify email. And now, as you can see, you have successfully created an AliExpress account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.